Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a video on how I get this look, which is pretty much just bright gold eyes with a bright red lip. So yeah, also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and to click on that notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. So yeah, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which I'll make sure to leave the link to everything so that you are able to find it. But yeah, I'm going to stop talking now. If you guys want to see how I got this video, just keep watching. Bye. Hi guys, so you already know the deal. To start off, I'm going to prime my eyes. I am going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime highlighter. This is the shade Light Boost. I'm just going to be applying that all over my eye up until my brow bone, and then just blending that out with a damp beauty blender. Okay, so today I am going to be using the BH Soft Glam palette. I am going to be using the color Orange Soda, and I'm going to be applying that with a blending brush over my crease. Okay, so for this look, I am going to be taking my Nars concealer and just applying that right on the lid. And that's just going to help applying the eyeshadow so that it can really pop and last throughout the day. And I'm just going to make sure I stop right before my crease. I don't want to bring that up too high, and then just make sure to blend that out. So once I have blended that out, I am going to be using a flat synthetic brush and taking the color Fairy, and I am going to be applying that in the inner corners of my lid. I am not going to spray this eyeshadow with Fix Plus because I just find that it applies better when it's dry. Okay, so this next step is completely optional. This is just what I did in the first eye, so I figure I replicate it. I'm going to be taking the color Glistening and applying that to the outer corners of my lid. I just find that this shade was not dark enough for my lid. It wasn't giving me the transition that I really wanted, so I am going to apply a darker shade after that. The shade that I'm going to be applying is the shade Bronze, which is just going to be a little bit darker and is going to make it look a little bit more golden. And of course, you already know the deal. Once we are finished applying that color, I am just going to go in with a blending brush and make sure to blend everything out so that we don't have any kind of harsh lines. So as you can see, after blending that out, I'm just going to go back in with the color Fairy and just intensify that gold color a little bit more so that it really pops. So with this look, I am going to be doing a wing liner. The liner that I'm using is the Revlon Colorstay Skinny Liquid Liner. Alright, so once I've done my liner, I am going to be applying some mascara. I'm using the Buxom Mascara, and I'm going to be applying that on my top and bottom lashes. So before I apply my bottom lash mascara, I'm going to take the color Fairy with a flat liner brush and apply that to my lower lash line. And I'm also going to be going in with the color Bronze on my outer lash line. And then, of course, just applying my bottom lash mascara. So with this look, I did apply some lashes. The ones that I used were the Ardell Wispy lashes. Alright, so next for our face, I'm going to start off by priming. I am using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. And just, of course, massaging that onto my skin. So once I'm done doing that, the foundation that I'm going to be using is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. The shade that I use is 300, and then I am of course just going to go ahead and blend that out with my Oval 10 brush from RT. So this foundation is not super like full coverage. It's definitely more of a natural coverage, which I do really like a lot. But if you want to build it to be full coverage, you definitely can. And now to conceal and highlight, I am going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, which of course is one of my favorites. And I'm going to be concealing under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, under my lip, and over my lip. Once I'm finished applying that, I'm just going to make sure to blend everything out with a damp beauty blender just to make sure that everything is smooth and we don't have any harsh lines. Now keep in mind that when you're blending out your concealer, you kind of want to blend the product into your skin instead of blending it out, which is why you see me kind of going and tapping motions with my beauty blender. And to set my concealer, I am going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder just to make sure that that stays nice and in place all day and so that it doesn't get cakey on me. Alright, and what is new to contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and just using a angled contour brush. So yeah, there's nothing really to explain here, just contour my face. Alright, so once I'm done blending out my contour, for blush, I'm using the BhCosmetics Professional Blush Palette. This is the 10 color blush palette, and I'm just going to take that very peachy tone and just apply it to my cheekbones. Now for my highlight, I am going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's super gold. You do want to make sure to go easy on it because it can look quite crazy if you apply too much. But yeah, then I'm just going to make sure to blend that out with my damp beauty blender and just kind of dab it into the skin so that it looks a little bit more natural. So once I've gone ahead and applied that, I am going to go on and move to my lip. I'm going to start off by lining my lips with the MAC Shock Value Pro Longwear Lip Pencil. This lip pencil was a little bit dry, so I did have to be a little bit rough on there. Now I did use a pink lip pencil because I didn't have a red one, but if you have a red one, I would definitely recommend using a red lip pencil. I'm gonna go over that with the MAC lipstick. This is the shade Russian Red, which is a matte color as well. Now to brighten that up, I am using the Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip Cream, which is the shade 30, which is Orange Shot. And that's just going to brighten up that lip a little bit more and give me the color that I'm looking for. And of course, just going to fix any kind of imperfections that I have with a small concealer brush. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you guys like it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos and hit that notification bell and check out my social medias. Bye guys.